So hello guys, this is Sanjeet and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open a multiple application on your Windows on a single click. Like whenever you click on any file, then you want to open all the application which you want to open. So for that you need to find exe file path for that application. So how you can do that? You need to go here, search and type your application. Like I want to open Excel sheet, type Excel. So now you can see here open file location. Just click on it and it will open this location. Here you can see Chrome, Microsoft Edge and Access, and here you will see Word, Office. So these all applications are here at this location. And now whenever you click on any file and open all that, like I want to open Excel, so how you can copy that path? So just click on it and press Ctrl plus Shift and right click here, and you will see this option, copy as path. And on desktop you need to create a one text file and name it whatever you want, all in one, and open it and just paste that path which you copied and find some other applications. Like I want to open Chrome, Ctrl plus Shift and right click, copy as path, press enter and just paste it over here. And other applications like I want to open a notepad at the same time, or you can say that I want to open this Microsoft Word. So just click on it and Ctrl plus Shift and right click, copy as path. If you're not following this like Ctrl plus Shift and right click, then you will not get copy as path option. So just follow that key, Ctrl plus Shift and copy as path. Come here and paste it, and you can add multiple applications here. So this time I am adding only 3. Save it. Just click on file and save as. Here you need to change the extension like .bat file, BAT, and just all file and save it. And wherever you want to save it, I want to save it desktop. Okay, save it. Here we'll see this file. Close it, and whenever you click on this, it will open 3 files. Just click on it. You can see all the 3 files are just opened. You can see this is a Chrome, and this is a Word file, and this is an Excel file. So this is a very great trick, and if you want to save your time, so this is a way you can open multiple application on your desktop and laptop. So guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, just hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.